Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to check your GPU working fine into your Windows 11 or not. We will going to check it in a very simple way. What you need to do, you just need to convert into your start icon, click on the right mouse button, and then you will get an option called Task Manager. If you click on that, then the Task Manager will be shows up and you just need to be maximize it. After that, here you will find the option called Performance at the left side. If you click on that, here you can see your your GPU is running over here. You can see now it's consuming 40% and it is now hitting 37 or 38 degrees Celsius. Also, you can see here is a CPU running. So if you seeing the GPU is running for that, you just simply click on your file explorer and going to play any of videos. Like I'm choosing this video, and if you just look at your GPU now, it's getting more using like 20%. You can see. So if it's sparking over here, or if it's like sparking, then it's fine, completely fine over here. Or if it's just not responding well, then it's a very bad problem over here. So you can see that a dedicated GPU memory is 512 MB and shared GPU memory was 7.6 GB. So it's running fine, and you can see this is how you can check your GPU is running or working well or not. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.